English twist. So there's going to be that East meets West theme throughout this session. And then I've got lots of apple juice to taste and apples to taste, but also the information about the different apples. And if you did want to buy a heritage fruit tree to take home, we have some in our little garden centre that we've grafted from our fruit trees and grown on. So you can find your favourite apple, have a taste of it, and then you might think, oh, I want to grow one of those in my garden, and then you can buy one. Growing, you know, trying to grow pineapples here and trying to create like any conditions to grow any kind of food from around the world. And you know, a lot of people were employed as horticulturalists and orchardists and gardeners. So we have a real history with horticulture in the UK. And they started to improve these grafting methods. And this period sort of saw a lot of the apples that we see today. Actually, the Victorian period was the big one, really. And they started to really hone down on what were the tastiest ones, really, and put them into cultivation and put them into market, really. And then in Lancashire, Gloucestershire and Worcestershire had 89,000 acres of orchards, 89,000 acres of orchards. So that is a lot of trees in like so you can imagine like that 89,000 acres of forest, really. Mother Nature gives us